My name is Allie Henderson, and I'm a student assistant in the Digital Humanities Center at San Diego State University. This video is part of a series of tutorials on how to use Scalar. Our last tutorial showed you how to create overlapping paths and visualizations in Scalar. In this video, we will learn how to add and approve comments in Scalar and how to add tags to your Scalar pages. Tags in Scalar are similar to tags on social media websites like Twitter and Instagram. When you add a tag to a Scalar page, it links the reader to other pages, paths, comments, or media files within your project that are similar or have something in common. This can be used to group content together or provide extra resources on your project topic. Any piece of content within Scalar can be used to tag any other Scalar content, such as pages, paths, comments, and media files. This opens up a wide array of possibilities, including using media as tags, modeling relationships between objects of study, and more. There are two different options when choosing how to tag pages in Scalar: make this page a tag and tag this page. Both methods of tagging create links to other content within the project. They just differ in the way the media is presented and the kind of relationship between the content. Making a page a tag turns the page you are currently editing into a single tag on another page, while tagging a page adds multiple tags to the current page you are editing. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to use both of those different methods to add tags. To add tags to your Scalar project, in your dashboard, you're first going to click on the book that you want to edit. And then you're going to find the page or piece of media that you want to either become a tag or that you want to add tags to. So I'm going to go into my table of contents and click on my technology page. Now, first you're going to click on the edit icon in the header bar, and then scroll down and click on the relationships tab. Now you'll see a drop-down menu and you're going to click on tag. Here are the two different relationship options I mentioned previously. We have make this page a tag and tag this page. So first I'm going to walk you through to make this page a tag. And so we're going to click choose the items that it tags. So it'll open up this new window, and in the top left we can see there's a drop-down menu that lets you pick the type of media you want. So you can pick media files, paths, tags, etc. We're just going to stick with pages. In the bottom left corner, you can create a new page on the fly if you don't want to tag a pre-existing page. But for the purposes of this tutorial, we will be sticking to pre-existing pages. So I want my technology page to become a tag on my laptop page. I also want it to become a tag on my podcasting studio page. And let's also add multimedia as well. Once you've added all of the pages or media files, you can click Add Selected. Now we can see this page is a tag of laptops, podcasting studio, and multimedia practice. So let's say that I, right now, no longer want multimedia practice to be a tag. You can click on this Remove button. It'll open a window, and you'll click OK. Now that's removed, and there's only two tags. So once you're happy with the tags that you've added, you'll click Save and View. Now we're going to scroll down to the bottom of our technology page, and you can see that it says this page is a tag of both laptops and podcasting studio. Now, if we click on the laptops tag, it'll take us to the laptops page, and we're able to see that the technology page we were on previously is just one of the many tags that's present on this laptops page. So if we return back to the technology page, click on Edit, go to Relationships, and then Tag. Now we can walk through how to add tags to our current page. So think of this as the reverse of what we just did. Instead of starting at the page that's going to become our tag, we're starting at the page that we're going to add tags to. So click on Choose the items that tag it, and then now we're going to decide what pages or media content is relevant to the current page we're on. So I want to add laptop page multimedia podcasting studio. Once you have clicked on all of the tags that you want for your current page, then you can go to the bottom right-hand corner and click Add Selected. Now, once again, we can see all of the tags that we've added, and once we're happy, we're going to click on Save and View. All right. Now when we scroll down to our technology page, we can see this page is tagged by laptops, multimedia practice, etc. And it is in that tagged format. It is important to note that if you do end up tagging different forms of media, everything is going to show up as this blue hyperlink. There's not going to be any distinction between videos, images, or pages. You will have to click on the link to figure out what form of media it is. But when we click on our laptop page and scroll down, we can see that this technology page that we were just on, it now shows that this is the back end of the tag for that page. Adding comments to a Scalar project allows readers to interact with the work either by giving feedback, opinions, or sharing more information on the topic. Each comment submitted to a Scalar project must be viewed and approved by the owner of the project before it is made visible to other users. This ensures that visible comments are respectful and appropriate for the project or page. Comments are also automatically enabled in Scalar and cannot be disabled. Though comments are commonly used by readers to interact with the work by giving praise, asking questions, and creating discussions about the project, this feature isn't only for people viewing your work. The creators of the project can use the same commenting system within Scalar to address readers' opinions and concerns without altering their original content, and comments can be used to note additions to certain aspects of the project. To add a comment to a Scalar book, first you're going to go to a page within your Scalar project or within the project of another user. So to add a comment, you're going to click on a page, and then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see this speech bubble icon. Once you click on that, it'll open up a new window, and it will also remind you what account you're logged in under. This is important because that name is going to show up when anyone views your comment. Then you're going to see two text boxes, one for the title of your comment and one for the comment itself. Okay, now I'm going to type in my comment, and you will need to include a comment title or else you can't submit it. So remember to add that. And now I'm just going to type in my comment. And once you are done typing in your comment, then you'll click on the Submit Comment button. Once you have done that, a banner will pop up on the top of your screen telling you that your comment has been submitted and is awaiting moderation. So if you commented on another person's Scalar project, you would just wait for them to approve that comment. If you commented on your own Scalar project, though, you would have to approve it yourself. And the process for approving other people's comments and your own is the exact same, and so I'm going to walk you through that really quickly. So the first thing you're going to do is go to the Scalar header bar and click on the dashboard, which is this tool icon in the top right-hand corner. Once you've done that, you're going to click on the Content tab in this header bar in the center. So once you've done that, it'll open up this page with all of the content in your Scalar book. And there are two different ways to access the comments. One is you'll see this red banner at the top, and since someone just submitted a comment, that means that we can click on this review button and it will take us directly to the comments. Another way of accessing the comments is to actually click on this Pages drop-down menu and then go to Comments. Now we're able to see all of the comments within our book. And right now there is only one comment, but really quickly I'm going to click on this review link just to show that when you click on it, it takes you to the exact same place that that comments drop-down menu takes you to. So now we're going to approve a comment. So the first thing we're going to do is actually read the comment, and to do that you're going to click on the title, which is this blue link right here. So when you do that, it'll open up a new page, and you can see the banner at the top says that the page is hidden to the public, and that just means that it's not made visible yet. So once you've read the comment and seen if it's appropriate or not for this page, you can go back, and then now that you're here, we can make that comment visible. So to do that, there's this eye icon on the left of the comment, and right now it's a light gray with a line through it. And to make a comment visible, you're just going to click on that icon until it turns a darker gray. That means that anyone who can view your Scalar page can view this comment. If you want to delete a comment that's been submitted in Scalar, first you have to select the comment so that it's highlighted in blue, and then you're going to go to the bottom of the screen and click on the Delete Selected button. Now, I don't want to delete this comment, so I'm not going to click on it. I am just going to make sure that this comment is visible, and then I'm going to go to the top right and click on my Return to Book button. Now, this brings you to the very beginning of your book, so I'm just going to return to the page that I commented on, and then I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and now we can see that that little speech bubble icon has a 1 next to it, and that means that there's 1 comment. So when you click on that, you're able to see the comment, and you're also able to add another comment. So let's also click on the comment that I left. You can see it is its own page, and to start discussions, you can actually comment on this specific comment to start a thread. So then that just becomes a chain of different comments, all relating back to this first one. And that is how you add and approve comments in Scalar. Thank you for watching. We have other tutorials on our website, teachdh.sdsu.edu.